Scrum is the world's leading Agile framework, a simple set of rules that help teams solve complex problems quickly and continuously deliver real value. In the next 5 minutes, you'll know the absolute fundamentals: the what, the how, and the who. Let's dive in. At its heart, Scrum is a repeating loop, or a rhythm, defined entirely by the sprint. The sprint is the container for everything. It's a fixed period of time, 1 month or less, where the team focuses on one thing: delivering a usable piece of the product. Once you choose the duration, say 2 weeks, it stays the same, creating a predictable, powerful heartbeat. Inside this sprint, there are 4 other time-boxed events. The sprint begins with sprint planning. This event is time-boxed to a maximum of 8 hours for a 1-month sprint, with shorter sprints requiring less time. In it, the team defines the sprint goal, their single objective, and pulls the highest priority items from the product backlog into the sprint backlog. This is their binding commitment for the next 2 weeks. Daily Scrum, a quick 15-minute daily meeting for the developers. They inspect their progress toward the sprint goal and adapt their plan for the next 24 hours. It's all about focus and maintaining momentum. At the end of the time box, the team holds the sprint review, a formal event limited to 4 hours or less for a 1-month sprint. This event is all about inspecting the what. The team demonstrates the delivered increment, the finished usable product piece, to key stakeholders to collect immediate, vital feedback on what was built. This crucial insight is then fed right back into the product backlog, ready for the next cycle. The sprint retrospective is the final event, time-boxed to 3 hours or less. This is all about inspecting the how. The entire Scrum team looks internally at processes, tools, and teamwork. They identify 1 or 2 key changes to improve their way of working for the very next sprint. That feedback from the review and the improvements from the retrospective immediately feed back into the master list, starting the cycle anew. This continuous loop of defining, building, releasing, and learning is the magic of Scrum. The entire rhythm is guided by 3 core artifacts that provide transparency and focus. Product backlog. This is the single, authoritative list of all the work needed to improve the product. It's ordered by value, with the highest priority items at the top. Its long-term commitment is the product goal. Sprint backlog. This is the subset of items the developers selected for the sprint, plus their detailed plan for delivering them. Its commitment is the sprint goal. Increment. This is the usable, finished piece of product value created during the sprint. It's a concrete stepping stone toward the product goal. Its commitment is the definition of done, DoD, a formal checklist of quality standards. If it doesn't meet the DoD, it isn't part of the increment. The Scrum team is intentionally small, self-managing, and defined by 3 key accountabilities. The product owner. They are solely accountable for maximizing the value of the product. They own the product backlog, its content, ordering, and transparency. Think of them as the essential link between the customers and the team. The Scrum Master. They are the professional who establishes Scrum as defined in the guide. They act as a servant leader, coaching the team and the organization, removing impediments, and ensuring the Scrum events are productive and respected. The developers. They are the people committed to creating every aspect of the done, usable increment each sprint. They create the sprint backlog, adapt their plan daily, and hold each other accountable as professionals. They decide who does what and how. So, there it is. The full, fast picture of Scrum. The sprint as the central heartbeat, the 5 events that structure the work, the 3 artifacts that maintain transparency, and the 3 accountabilities that bring it all to life. It's a deceptively simple framework, but its impact is massive. Remember why we use it. Scrum is specifically designed to handle complex problems where you don't know all the answers up front. By forcing frequent inspection in the review and daily Scrum and adaptation in the retrospective and planning, you constantly course correct. It replaces years of slow, risky planning with a simple, continuous loop of defining, building, releasing, and learning. Scrum is all about focus, commitment, and the continuous delivery of real value. Stop planning for years. Start delivering every 2 weeks. Hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more videos coming your way.